इतने क्षेत्रों में जम्मू कश्मीर में स्टार्टअप हो सकते हैं और मेरे जम्मू कश्मीर के नौजवान स्टार्टअप की दुनिया में अपना डंका बजा रहे हो, ये देखने का बहुत खुशी का पल था मेरे लिए।
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी के इस दृष्टिकोण के आधार पर जम्मू और कश्मीर ने मिशन युवा उद्यमी विकास अभियान या मिशन युवा की शुरुआत की है, जो नए अवसर पैदा करने और विचारों को सफल व्यवसायों में बदलने का काम कर रहा है। मिशन युवा 4 प्रकार के उद्यमों की स्थापना को बढ़ावा देता है। नैनो एंटरप्राइजेस, जो इस योजना के सबसे बड़े लाभार्थी हैं, विशेष रूप से महिलाएं, पहले पीढ़ी और गांव आधारित एंटरप्रेन्योर्स। न्यू एमएसएमई, जो उभरते और सनराइज क्षेत्रों में काम करते हैं। न्यू इनोवेटिव एंटरप्राइजेस, जो हाईली स्किल्ड यूथ के लिए है। एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग एंटरप्राइजेस, जो विकास के लिए आवश्यक बदलाव और बढ़ावा देते हैं। मिशन युवा की पूरी प्रक्रिया पेपरलेस है और एक ऑनलाइन पोर्टल मोबाइल ऐप के माध्यम से पूरी की जाती है। यह प्लेटफॉर्म पोटेंशियल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के लिए आवेदन से लेकर लोन प्रोसेसिंग, बिजनेस एस्टेब्लिशमेंट और अन्य लाभों तक की एक पूरी डिजिटल प्रक्रिया प्रदान करता है।
The features of the Mission YUVA mobile app are also available on the Mission YUVA web portal. To get started, simply type https:/missionuva.jk.gov.in/home in your browser's search bar. Once the home page opens, begin by registering yourself using the details shown on the screen, including your name, contact information, and other basic details like your email, age, address, your gender, whether you belong to the rural or the urban type of Jammu and Kashmir, and end it by entering the CAPTCHA and registering yourself. After successful registration, you can log in using the same mobile number you registered with. Generate an OTP, enter the CAPTCHA, and you will be successfully logged in into the portal. To start your application journey for the Grand Innovation and Sustainability Challenge for Incubation in Jammu and Kashmir, click on Start Your Business under Mission YUVA. You'll see 4 types of scheme applications. Select Apply under Neo Innovative Enterprises. In the next 2 steps, the first part of your application form will open. This section includes your name, date of birth, educational qualification, occupation, Aadhaar and PAN details, and information about your business, such as the certificate of incorporation, if any, and previous startup experience. Some of these details will already be pre-filled from your registration information. welcome to the second part of the application form. Start with your business name and then tell us about the current stage of your business. Are you just getting started or have you been operating for a while? Next, we'll need to know if your business is officially registered, and do not forget to upload your certificate of incorporation along with a brief company profile to help us understand what your business is all about. Are you a first generation entrepreneur? Let us know and give us a quick rundown of your product or service and what makes it stand out. What is the problem that you're trying to solve, and who is the target market for your business and its idea? If you have any traction, whether it's users, revenue, or awards, now is the time to mention it. And don't forget to upload a short video of the founder explaining the business. If you have a business plan for the next 3 to 5 years, we would love to see it. Also, let us know how much funding you're seeking and any sources of funds you've already secured. Finally, we'll ask about your background, any previous business experience, and whether you have a mentor, along with the sector preferences of the business and the idea you are trying to establish. And before you finish, check the declaration box to confirm everything is accurate. Once you've filled out all the application details and the necessary documents, click Submit for your application to be reviewed by the selection committee. You'll also be able to track the status of your application from your dashboard. If you have an innovative idea or business, apply now on missionuva.jk.gov.in/home for the Innovation and Sustainability Challenge.